Hi, my name is Angela Gao. I live in Braintree, Massachusetts, which is just a little bit outside of Boston. I decided to jump in and try Jenna's Start Your Private Practice system because the pandemic hit and I was suddenly given an opportunity to be at home, and I have a child at home who had some significant healthcare needs. So I had been homeschooling her, and I had really dreamed of wanting to be able to be there for her more without sacrificing the security of a full-time salary job. So I was contracted to schools. And what I have learned is that the course Jenna has made available to all of us is, quite frankly, like, it's just laid out. I love the way Jenna had described it as it is like a paint by number. That was the favorite thing, the description that she gave me that really made it seem like, okay, I just have to follow her steps, and she's laid it all out and all the resources are there available. It was really a matter of me deciding to invest in myself and build something and really believe that I could build it. So my goal was really to try this teletherapy that we were suddenly thrown into, and be home and still build an income to support my family, and then hopefully have it grow into something where I could leave this full-time salary job and be able to stay home and homeschool her and be here for her during those years that she would really need me. So it's really about being in charge of your own career and being able to set your own hours and being able to see the type of clients that I really want to see and be in control of what I want to do with my career, and not always feel like I had to be boxed into the rules and regulations or the paperwork, or being told that this is not what we're all doing in a school system, so I couldn't go out and do it on my own. And so my advice is, if you are on the fence about working with Jenna or starting your own private practice, I'll tell you the number one reason why I felt like this is the best system. Number one reason is Jenna. I feel like she is an incredible, unique gem of an individual, and she's the one who makes this program fantastic. Her positivity, her energy, her openness to share what she has and make available, and her her desire to bring all of us therapists with her to give us these tools. I just love her energy and her encouragement and her support. I'm not a type A personality person, as many, I think, clinicians in our field are. And I just didn't have the attention to detail for all of these legal forms and how to go about this step by step. And I was overwhelmed as a mom. So for me to find a few clients and then be able to go right to Jenna's system and get all the paperwork documents that I needed legally to get myself going with these clients was completely worth it. So I highly recommend her Start Your Private Practice system, and Jenna's available. Like, anytime you have a question or you want to get some support, she will always be there. And she's an absolute phenomenal clinician, and thank you for making this available to all of us therapists.